Welcome to the PJO Insurance Brokerage Podcast. We cover different topics on business insurance in order to help you choose the appropriate coverage. We believe that being properly insured is just good business sense, and our experienced brokers will help design an insurance program specifically for your company's needs. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, we put our clients' needs first and foremost.
In this podcast, we'll discuss and point out the importance of acquiring a builder's risk and cost of construction insurance when it comes to starting out a new project. Recently, we were talking with a potential client who was in the process of obtaining a contractor's license to build his own custom home. Once we secured him all the bonding he required, we asked him about looking into a builder's risk and cost of construction insurance policy for his new custom home while it was under construction. His response was, since he already had a homeowner's policy on his current home, and since he planned to occupy this new home, he assumed that his current homeowner's policy covered this new one as well. We can't tell you how many times we've heard this response in the past, and this couldn't be further from the truth. In most instances, if you read your homeowner's policy, you will find that the vast majority of them only cover your home while you are living in it and it is not under construction, whether that be a new build or if you are doing major remodeling. In the event that the part of the building you are remodeling has a loss, for example, a fire that does damage to the completed part of your home, your current homeowner's policy may not cover the loss to the part of your home that is completed. Of course, that is not the time you want to find out you have no coverage at all. First, let's understand the specifics of a builder's risk and cost of construction insurance policy. Most builders' risk policies will contain coverage for damage that is done to the insured structure by such causes of loss as fire, wind, although in some coastal areas this coverage may be limited or excluded, theft, hail, lightning, explosion, and vandalism. As with any policy you acquire, it is very important that you read the policy to become familiar with any exclusions or limitations that the policy may contain. In almost all builders' risk policies, there are exclusions for earthquake, theft by an employee, war, government action, property that is in the open and suffers weather damage, voluntary parting, contract penalty, and mechanical breakdown. In addition, this type of insurance will not cover property owned by others, and all of the subcontractors that will be working on this project will be required to carry their own insurance, and their tools and equipment will not be covered under your policy. Also, on the builder's risk policy, there is no coverage for liability insurance, and the policy will not cover accidents to workers that happen on the job. It is important to note that when the building is completed or occupied, coverage usually ends, and the premium for the policy is fully earned. Now, let's review the benefits of having builder's risk and cost of construction insurance. Acquiring builder's risk and cost of construction insurance in Arizona offers several benefits for businesses involved in construction projects. Here are some of the key advantages. Property protection. Builder's risk insurance provides coverage for physical damage or loss to the construction project, including the building, materials, and equipment. Project continuity. If a covered event occurs and causes delays or damage to your construction project, builder's risk insurance can help cover the costs of repairs and replacement materials. This ensures that your project can continue without significant interruptions. Risk mitigation. Construction projects inherently involve various risks, from accidents to unexpected events. Having insurance helps mitigate these risks by providing financial protection, reducing the potential for costly disputes, and giving peace of mind to project stakeholders. Lenders and stakeholders requirements. Lenders often require builder's risk insurance as a condition for financing construction projects. Additionally, property owners, contractors, and subcontractors may require it as part of contractual agreements. Cost control. By transferring the financial risk to an insurance policy, you can better control your project's budget. Instead of facing unexpected costs, you can plan for insurance premiums, making it easier to manage your finances. Legal compliance. Some states and municipalities may have legal requirements for builder's risk insurance. Complying with these regulations is essential to avoid potential legal issues and penalties. And tailored coverage. Builder's risk insurance can be customized to suit the specific needs of your project. You can choose coverage limits, deductibles, and policy terms that align with your construction project's size and complexity. To determine the specific cost of builder's risk and cost of construction insurance for your project in Arizona, it's advisable to consult with an experienced insurance agent who can help you find the most cost-effective coverage. Remember, it's best to be prepared, so contact PJO Insurance Brokerage to get the best coverage for your construction project. As you can see, there are many aspects of a builder's risk and cost of construction policy. And since every new project, whether it is a new custom home, a new commercial building, or a renovation project, either residential or commercial, each one has their own unique set of demands for this type of coverage. With our expertise in this field and the many markets that PJO Insurance Brokerage has access to, it would be beneficial for you to talk with us about putting an insurance policy in place that best suits your particular building needs. We can help you understand your coverage needs, customize a policy to suit your specific requirements, and provide ongoing support in case of claims or adjustments to your policy, ensuring that your insurance needs are met with the appropriate coverage. Call PJO Insurance Brokerage today at 480-680-9951 or visit us online at pjobrokerage.com. We look forward to working with you on your next project.
Thank you for listening to the PJO Insurance Brokerage podcast. Our brokers have over 60 years of combined insurance experience, and we are committed to perform at a level above the rest. If you would like to experience what it's like to work with business insurance professionals who are committed to superior customer service, please call PJO Insurance Brokerage to set up an appointment and review your company's specific insurance needs.